In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your conda distribution. So hey guys, this is Biswajit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start with the video. So I am assuming that you have installed conda maybe 6 months ago or maybe 1 year ago, and now you want to update your whole conda distribution. So how you can do it? So I have made a whole playlist on how you can install the conda environment if you are new to this channel. So we talk about programming over here. So if you have not watched the videos on how to set up Python conda, this is the playlist to watch. And if you want to know how to work with the conda environment, this is the playlist to watch. So I have made videos and playlist on these two topics. So I am assuming you have installed conda a lot of time, like maybe a year before or 6 months before, and just we want to update it to the latest version. So how we can do it? So there are two commands you can type that is actually very simple. So the first command that you want to type is conda update conda. Okay, if you do enter, generally it is going to check for the new version of conda that is present. It shows that this is the current version that it is present, and this is the latest version that is present. But it was not able to update the version of conda for some reason, because we specifically asked it to update conda, but it was not able to do it. It is giving us a different command. Okay, I'll explain you what this command actually do. But generally there is another command, like after doing conda update conda, generally I do this conda update anaconda, and this will list everything. So this is the first command that I execute, and after that this is the next command that I execute. So I hope there should be a lot of updates, because I have not updated this conda environment for a lot of time. And we are over here, and oh god, it listed out so many packages. So let's check what it is showing. So if I do full screen, okay, so we ended over here. This is the prompt that it is asking to install or not. So these are the packages that are installed. This is the current version that is present, and this is the new version that is present that it can upgrade to. So if I go up, it shows everything. So these are the packages that will be updated. Okay, it is over here. So Anaconda will be updated, and I am guessing we also have conda build. Okay, this conda will be updated. Okay, and these are the packages that will be removed. And if I go above, so these are the new packages that will be installed, and this is the total download size. So total is 590.2 MB. It's a huge size, and it lists out all the packages that are present and the build number and the size of it. So I am guessing even conda should be present over here. It's conda build, conda content, conda token. So generally the first thing that I do is conda update conda. But so this generally updates the conda itself, but in this particular case it was not able to do much. But do execute conda update conda first, then you execute conda update anaconda, and this will update everything, your whole anaconda distribution. Okay, so if I just do y, it will take a lot of time to run and to execute. So generally I will be doing this at night when I won't be working. So there is one thing that I said I'll show you later. So that is the conda update conda. So generally I execute in this way: conda update conda and conda update anaconda. So this is the way that I generally execute my commands. Okay, this is just like typing conda update conda in one line and then conda update conda in the other line. Okay, this is the AND symbol that is used in Linux. So you can do, like, you can combine two particular commands with this particular AND operator, I should say. And generally there is another version of conda that you might see popping up everywhere, which is the conda update -n base -c defaults. Okay, and conda. Okay, it's the same command, like almost the same command. So here we are specifying the environment name, that is the base, and the channel, that is the defaults. Okay, so you can also execute this particular command, okay, to update. but I think conda update conda should work just fine. Okay, and you can also execute this. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys were able to do this, just press the like button. And as I said, I have made a whole playlist on how to work with conda and how to set up conda, and there are many playlists on Python. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.